Hello everybody. So far we have looked at heat energy being moved through conduction, and conduction usually follows through solids. Okay, but the each wee molecule passes heat energy along, and would see that in the iron bar experiment that we looked at with the star apparatus. In this wee lesson we're looking at how heat energy is moved through convection currents. So we can see here that we have our convection currents, and that usually happens in liquids. Okay, so it occurs in liquids and gases. The first wee one that we're looking at is this convection tube, and a convection tube is filled with water, and we apply a dye here at the top, and it is allowed to pass through the water. The heat then comes from the Bunsen burner at one side, and the particles of heat energy are moved along the water molecules as the water gets heated. And you can see that in the wee video that I've put up from our practical. So we need to be able to understand the way the water moves. So the dye comes down here, and as the water molecule is heated, the water molecules gain energy and move up, and they're replaced with colder water coming down. Okay, so you will see the water moving down, and as it moves in, it gets warmer. When it gets to the top, it starts to fall again as it cools. So it would be red here because it's indicating that it's still warm. And then it cools and falls again. And this creates what we call a convection current. So we need to know what happens to the purple crystal, which is the purple dye, as the water gets heated. Okay, so we will say that the purple dye in the water it rises up, and is carried by heat energy. The water then cools, and the purple dye falls. It is then heated again. And that whole process continues on, heating, cooling, and heating and cooling. So what substance is being moved here in the, what is moving, okay? So it's the dye is moving, okay, in the water molecules. Now we're going to pause this one just here because I don't want the video to be too long to upload, and we will then look at the how heat is moved in air, okay, and that would be the smoke chamber.